Lab. Here's meteorologist Maggie Dinizio.
Good Thursday morning, Lubbock. God, that'd be terrible if it was only Monday morning, but it's a rainy Thursday morning across the South Plains. So let's go ahead and take a look at our current satellite and radar. We do have widespread rain showers continuing to push across the South Plains. You can see some of those pockets of yellow. That's more moderate rainfall. And as I stop the radar for you, as well as zoom in, so you can see exactly what's happening outside. So just seeing some light rain right now in the hub city, but as you get into southern portions of the South Plains, seeing that rainfall pick up a little bit more, so to be a little bit more moderate, maybe even heavy at some times. So that is moving through parts of Yoakum as well as into Terry County, Gaines County, Dawson County, also up towards the north in Hale County. You are seeing some moderate rainfall, and again, all of this rain activity is pushing off towards the north. But if you take a look to the northeast, areas off the Caprock, including Spur, Jayton, Matador, they're not seeing any rainfall this morning. Most of that rain activity will be staying on the Caprock throughout not just this morning, but as well as into this afternoon. Northeastern areas, though, you could still be getting some rainfall over the next 24 hours. But here's a live look outside from our Overton Hotel Skycam. It is raining in the hub city. We are seeing those clouds moving in pretty quickly across the area. Let's go ahead and take a look at those live and local temperatures. So you can see some of those rainfall accumulations since midnight last night. So this is almost at 9/10 of an inch of rain in the hub city since midnight. In Lamesa, you have now jumped up to 1.22 inches of rainfall just since midnight. Even in Seminole, you have recorded over an inch of rain since midnight this morning, and in shallow water you have almost 9/10 of an inch of rain. So localized flooding is likely going to be an issue, and like I mentioned earlier, just in that tease, that Lubbock Cooper ISD did tweet out just a few minutes ago that they will not be running buses on dirt roads because of the flooding. So students who live on dirt roads are going to have to find an alternate way to school on this Thursday morning. Our weather pattern over the next few days, we are going to be looking at that upper level low continuing to move towards the south. It's currently centered over northern Mexico, and as it moves towards the south, rain chances this afternoon will be more concentrated in the southern and western portions of the South Plains. But I mentioned northeastern areas, you do still have a shot of rain in the next 24 hours. That's because of this cold front that will be moving in from the north tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning, and that will be keeping our rain chances in likely through tomorrow afternoon. But for today, a 50% chance of rain with temperatures topping out in the mid-70s. The potential of heavy rainfall as well as some isolated storms will be possible throughout the afternoon hours, and it's going to be a similar story for tomorrow, just dropping those rain chances to a 40% on Friday. I think by around 10 p.m. Friday night, we should be seeing most of that rain activity diminish, and then a drying trend as we head through the rest of our 7-day forecast. Mostly sunny skies on Saturday, temperatures getting a little bit warmer into the upper 70s. Breezy conditions on Sunday and Monday. Another front will likely move through, not really doing much to our temperatures, and it likely will be a dry front as well, but picking up those winds for the end of the weekend as well as the start of the next work week before quiet weather by Tuesday and into Wednesday.
I like the sound of quiet weather. That sounds peaceful.
But we like the rain. This is getting it's a lot of rain now out there. It really is coming down in some areas. Just be sure to take your time, be cautious on those roads this morning. But it is nice to see a really good soaking, especially here in the hub city, because it's been a while.
Yeah, definitely. And for those of you just waking up out there even earlier, both of us, we saw some good buildup in some areas, but that also means you do really need to be safe and be cautious out there in those areas build up.
And especially when you're getting off the loop. I always realize when I drive to work in the mornings, and when you get off the loop, whenever it dips down like that, those are likely the most flooded areas because that's just where the water accumulates. So getting off the loop, be sure to slow down early, because if you're going really fast, such as 60 miles per hour on the loop, and you get off that exit ramp, you could definitely hydroplane. It is a possibility, and no one wants to do that. No one wants to start off a morning like that. So just be careful out there.